Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the tool can help you properly auto-warm your multiple Instagram account. So here you can see on the screen, this is the tool can help you using multiple Instagram accounts. So first is the account management function. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Instagram account that you want. And to warm up your multiple Instagram account, I will go to account function. This function will help you warm up your account. And after that, I will select the account that I want to go to warm up, like this. And after that, I will select the script. This script I already made it in the software, so if you don't have it, you can make a new one by choosing a script in here. And in here you can make a script like about general interaction, or you can interaction with keyword, or you can interaction with any account that you want. Okay, so about the action, you can choose like about read notifications, scroll new feed, scroll like bot, like story, scroll story, scroll reel, watch video, any action that you want. And you can make a script with this action, and after that you press save to save the script. And that's how you make a script to warm your account. And after having your account, you should need to choose it in here and press begin and let the tool warm up your account for you. Okay, so you can see on screen the tool will auto open browser like this, and each browser is the account, and it will warm up your account with the script that you already set up in the tool. Okay, so basically just show you the tool can help you properly auto warm up your multiple Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need the tool or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation tool.